For this problem, we want to find solution, real solution x to the following equation. We notice that there is a relationship between these three parentheses. In other words, the first one here, if I add that one to this one, then I get the one on the left-hand side of the equation. So if A is x squared minus 7x plus 10, and B is 2x squared minus 2x minus 4, then A plus B is x squared minus 7x plus 10 plus 2x squared minus 2x minus 4 is equal to, simplifying this to 3x squared minus 9x plus 6. And this is the left-hand side of our equation. So we can write that a cubed plus b cubed is equal to the left-hand side of the equation, which is a plus b cubed. So from here we find that a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a cubed plus b cubed plus 3a squared b and 3ab squared. So we can simplify this relationship and factor for AB this has to be equal to 0. From here we find A is 0 or B is 0 or A plus B is 0. So we can test these relationship to find solution to this problem. First we have A is 0, and that would mean that x squared minus 7x plus 10 is 0. What are the two numbers that if you multiply them is 10, if you add them is minus 7. So it is minus 5 and minus 2. And x is 5 and 2. B is 0. That would result into 2x squared minus 2x minus 4 is 0. Dividing that by 2 we have x squared minus x minus 2 as 0. And what are the two numbers that if you multiply them is minus 2, add them together is minus 1. So it is minus 2, x minus 2, and it is plus 1. X plus 1 is 0. From here we find that x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 1. And a plus b is 0, and that would be the left-hand side of the equation. So a plus b is 0. That means 3x squared minus 9x plus 6 is 0. Dividing this equation by 3 would be x squared minus 3x plus 2 is 0. And what are the two numbers that if you multiply them, it is plus 2, and if you add them, it's minus 3. So that would be x minus 2 times x minus 1. And this would result in x as 2 and x as 1. So collecting all these solution, we find that x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to plus 1, x is equal to 2, and x is equal to 5. And those are the real solution to this problem.